So, welcome back to Simple Vegan Recipes. So today, we're gonna be doing a green man vegan shake. So, let's get started with this recipe, okay? Now the recipe calls for 1 cup of almond milk, half a cup of vanilla almond yogurt, 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter, and 2 cups of fresh spinach. Okay, so let's get this recipe going, okay? So we do have our ingredients here on the counter, and we're gonna start mixing those ingredients into the blender, okay? So we're gonna start with our spinach. Now spinach is a good source of vitamin A, C, K, folic acid, calcium, and iron, okay? Okay, so we're gonna add our yogurt. And we're also gonna add our peanut butter, okay? Now we're adding this peanut butter for extra protein. And let's go ahead and add our almond milk, okay? Now we're gonna blend this for a minute, okay? So we're all done with this simple recipe, and look how this looks, really light green. I can't wait to give this a try. I encourage you to also give it a try, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, okay? So I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.